In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text around an image in Google Docs. This feature is incredibly useful for creating professional-looking documents, newsletters, and even simple letters that require a bit of visual flair. Images can help break up text, add emphasis, and make your content more engaging. So let's dive right in and explore how you can easily do this. First, what you want to do is insert an image into your Google Docs document. To do this, navigate to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, go to Image, and this will offer you several options for inserting your image. You can upload from your computer, search the web, or choose from your drive, among other sources. Select the source that works best for you and go ahead and insert that image into your document. Once the image appears in your document, the next step is to select it. Simply click on the image once, and you'll notice a blue border appear around it. This indicates that your image is ready to be manipulated. Upon selection, a new toolbar appears right below the image, designed specifically for image formatting. Here, you'll find a set of icons that allows you to adjust various settings for your image. Look for the Wrap Text button. This is your little magic wand, which will enable the text to flow around your image seamlessly. Click on the Wrap Text icon, and you should see the text adjust immediately around your picture. This wrapping feature is beneficial as it ensures that your image does not disrupt the natural flow of your document. Now, you might want to place the image in an optimal position that enhances the layout of your document. With Wrap Text activated, click and hold the image. You can then drag it to your desired location within the text. As you move the image, you'll notice the surrounding text adjusts dynamically, wrapping around the image accordingly. This flexibility allows you to play around with the image placement to see what looks best and fits best with the structure and design of your document. And there you have it, a simple yet efficient way to wrap text around an image in Google Docs. This skill is not only useful, but also enhances the readability and visual appeal of your work. Don't hesitate to experiment with different images and placements to create a document that truly meets your needs. Keep practicing, and soon wrapping text around images will become second nature to you. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.